Ready to turn your normal edits into eye-catching, ultra-clear videos? These CapCut quality tricks can completely upgrade your video. So start by opening CapCut and tapping New Project, import the video you just want to edit and tap Add. So now the first thing to check is the aspect ratio. So we just have to open the aspect ratio settings and set it to 9:16 if you are creating content for TikTok, Reels or Shorts. And this actually ensures your video fits perfectly on mobile screens. Now open the Adjust panel and this is where you improve the base quality of your clip. Increase sharpen to around 20 to 30 and this actually helps bring back details that often get lost after recording or exporting. Now let's enhance clarity using an effects. Now go to effects and from the video effects you have to search for sharpen edges. And now apply it and use this optimize settings. So for blur, I keep it at 0 because we don't want to soften the video at all. For sharpen, I usually set it around 20 to 30. This is the sweet spot where the video looks clearer without looking over-processed. For size and range, I normally leave them as they are because the default value already works well for most clips. And lastly for the filter, I like to keep it around 10 so the effect blends nicely and doesn't look too harsh. So once applied, stretch the effect layer across the entire video so it affects the full clip. And after all of that, just go back to adjust again and do final color tweaks. Slightly increase brightness and raise contrast a bit. This gives the video more depth and makes the detail pop without over editing. So before exporting, let's quickly optimize the export settings. So if your phone supports 4K, I still recommend exporting in 1080p. It keeps the quality sharp while reducing file size and upload time. And now for the frame rate, keep it between 25 and 30 fps. This gives smooth playback without making the file unnecessarily heavy. And lastly for the bitrate, I usually leave it on recommended because CapCut automatically balances quality and file size. And finally, you're ready to export your video and enjoy the quality upgrade. Let's check your video and see it looks amazing. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.